One of your garments has a defect? No problem. We'll take care of it, of course. There are different ways to report the damage to us. The best way is to download our Alsco service app. Simply scan the QR code on your wardrobe and you're ready to go. Each of your garments has a barcode that you can scan with the Alsco service app. Mark the area to be repaired accordingly and provide us with all the necessary information for the repair. You can also manually report the damage using your repair card. Fill in all the information we need and attach the card to the button of the defective part using the provided tab. Place the garment in one of the red repair bags, seal it well, and hand it directly to the service driver. Alternatively, our service driver can also gather information directly and pass it on to the service team. Got it? Wonderful! We wish you happy working!